Namaste and welcome back to Meals and Moves. In today's session, we will learn mother of all the asanas. No, I'm not kidding, because this asana is actually known as mother of all the asanas. Because probably this is the only asana which involves all your body parts and enhances the function of all of them. Isn't it amazing? So they say when you don't have time for yoga class, just practice this one asana and it will give you benefit of all of them. In Sanskrit, it is known as Sarv-Ang-Asana, where Sarv is all, Ang is body parts, and Asana is posture. So it literally means all limb posture. It is also known as shoulder stand because most of your body weight is on your shoulder. So Sarv-Ang-Asana is loaded with many health benefits. It's particularly good for thyroid and varicose veins. Because your body is inverted in this posture, blood flow increases in your body. So it's good for your heart, your hair, skin, digestive organs and much more. Apart from many physical benefits, this asana is also good for your mental health because it calms you down. So if you are someone who's anxious and have sleep disorders, please do practice this asana. Now, a couple of disclaimers before we proceed. If you're pregnant, have high blood pressure, diarrhea or any sort of injury, please consult your doctor before trying Sarv-Ang-Asana. So I'm going to show you two versions of getting into Sarv-Ang-Asana. In first version, we'll keep our legs straight and then lift them up. If that's difficult for you, you can try the second version in which you bend your knees first and slowly bring your legs up. Alright, so let's start the version 1. Lie down flat on your back with feet together. Hands are close to your hips, palms facing down. Now in one swift movement, you're going to lift your legs, your hips and your back up. So the tip here is if you press the floor down with your palms, it's going to be easy for you to lift your body. So take a nice deep breath and as you exhale, push the floor and lift your body up. Now support your lower back with your hands. Now make sure your hands are on your lower back and not on your hips, and your hands are not going out. They should be in line with your shoulders. And now press your spine and stretch your spine and your legs towards the ceiling. Point your toes. Keep breathing normally. And every time you exhale, push your spine a little more and try and stretch it. Now your chin is touching your chest. Most of your body weight is on your shoulders. Make sure your neck is not stressed. Now as a beginner, you can start with 30 seconds and go max up to 5 minutes. Keep breathing normally. Now to come out of the posture, release your hands and slowly bring your back, your hips and your legs down onto the mat and relax. Alright, so now let's try the easier version now. Lie flat on your back with your feet together. Your hands are close to your hips, palms facing down. Now take a nice deep breath and as you exhale, bring your knees close to your chest. Now push the floor with your palms and bring your hips and your lower back up. Support your lower back and whenever comfortable, lift your legs up. Straighten your spine and your legs. Toes are pointing towards the ceiling. Now once you have your balance, you can try doing it without the support. Now if you do not know, let me tell you, Sarv-Ang-Asana
is the foundation for Halasana. So as a bonus, I'm going to show you how to get into Halasana. Keep breathing normally. Whenever you want, come up. Bring your hands to your lower back. Now to come out of the posture, bring your knees to your chest. Release your hands and slowly bring your back, hips and legs onto the mat and relax.
I hope this video was useful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.